Today's video is how to get glowing skin in the winter. Yay! Hi everyone, it's Mariam and I am back with a new video. If you've not watched the video I made about mistakes people make on their skin, please do watch the video. In today's video, we are going to talk about do's and don'ts in the winter, as the winter is now approaching us in Nigeria. So even though you're not in Nigeria, it's winter. The environment really dries our skin out. The environment is very cold, so it dries our skin out, and there is a need to moisturize. We need to moisturize more than we have been moisturizing before, because the dry environment strips our skin of its natural moisturizers. So the first tip is to moisturize, and moisturize. You need to maintain the temperature of your home to be at least 18 degrees to 26 degrees, and also keep your humidity level between 40% to 60%. One tip I'm going to give you is you need to change your shower routine. Like, you need to change it entirely. You cannot be bathing like a fish in the winter. If you are bathing like a fish, kene hajer kifi, kega amaria, wankan safe daban, na rana daban, na yamma daban, wallahi skin ɗinki zai kuka. You are going to strip your skin of every natural moisturizer it has. So you need to change your shower routine. If you bath 2 times is enough. Once is even enough in the winter, so that you don't strip your skin of its natural moisture. You need to reduce the temperature of your water when you are bathing. Do not bath with hot water. Like, the temperature needs to be warm. Water is okay, no hot water. Hot water is a no, and you need to reduce the time you spend in the shower. Ki daina dadewa a toilet. Kina shiga ki fita da wuri, because the more you are washing, it means you are stripping every moisture in your body. In kika yi wankan nan kika jiki quick squeaky clean, it means your body has no moisture left. So do not spend a lot of time. Dama aljanu ma suna son ganin mutum a toilet, so do not stay there. There are aljanu in the toilet. Just do whatever you want to do sharp and come out. The tip I'm going to give you is to moisturize on damp skin. Kina fita daga wanka when your body is still damp, not wet skin, jama'a. Damp skin. When your body is still damp, you should moisturize. So that when you moisturize when your body is still damp, it locks the moisture in your skin and your skin will not dry out. So do not wait for your body to be dry before you moisturize. You should try and moisturize when your skin is still damp. The next tip I'm going to give you is eat well, eat healthy, eat clean. Like, what you are taking into your body is a reflection of what your skin looks like. If you do not eat well, your skin is definitely not going to eat well. So you have to eat healthy. You have to drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water and hydrate. To keep your skin hydrated, drink that water. Drink it. Drink water. Even if you are not thirsty, you should drink water. So you need to eat a lot of food. Like, you need to eat a lot of vegetables that are rich in amino acids. Food with amino acids such as broccoli, carrots, honey are natural moisturizers. So try as much as you can to incorporate them into your meal. Try and eat them. Eat well, drink water. Kar ku ce ban taba muku komai ba na alheri a rayuwar nan, na gaya muku. Drink a lot of water and mind your business. Your skin is going to be clear like mine. Tip I'm going to give you, which is probably the last one, is to use a thicker moisturizer, which is the cream, instead of a lotion. I know a lot of people love using lotions because of the pumps and all that. It's easier to use and whatever, but for your own good, for your skin's betterment, I recommend using the cream because it's thicker and it moisturizes the skin better than lotion. You should keep all your lotions for the winter. Sorry, you should keep all your lotions for the summer, guys. Do not use your lotions in the winter. You should transfer your lotion to summer use. Lotions do not have enough occlusive ingredients, so they are best used in the summer rather than the things winter. You can try for the winter that I have tried and they have really worked for me is the IHR skincare. She has this soft and smooth shea butter, so you can use the IHR soft and smooth shea butter and you can also use her coconut oil to moisturize your body. This shea butter is very good for the skin. It traps your moisture. Yana hana kafanki yin kauje a sanyi. It's really good, so you should try the IHR pure. Okay, so one more tip. I know I said the previous tip I said was probably the last tip, but one more tip I need to give you guys is to avoid overheating your home. Da kin ji sanyi kaɗan an kunna heater kenan, keep an sa ko ina yayi zafi. Avoid overheating your home. As you are overheating your home, you are introducing dry air into the home. So this dry air strips your skin of its natural moisture and she can causing one blocked nose and all that. So you should, I am not saying you shouldn't heat your home, but you should avoid overheating. Just heat. This is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Even if you did not enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Like and share the video with people that you think this video will benefit. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.